You are a warrior, and warriors don't quit. Cancer is just one chapter in your life, not the whole story. So, in this day, I will tell you a doctor love story. It's not a love story, it's all about Dr. Susan Love story. Dr. Susan Love, a pioneer in the field of breast cancer research and a breast cancer survivor herself. Her journey not only exemplifies courage and determination, but also underscores the importance of advocacy, innovation, and collaboration in the fight against cancer. As a renowned surgeon and advocate, she has dedicated her life to improving the lives of cancer patients through her groundbreaking research, patient centered approach, and better treatment options and healthcare policies. Her story serves as an inspiration for millions and millions. As we reflect on this day, let's continue to support the cancer survivors and raise awareness about the importance of early detection and prevention. Together, we are stronger than cancer.